let's make a mushroom tincture. Ooh. So in here we have some reishi mushroom, a little turmeric, CBD, some other mushrooms and adaptogens up in here, lion's mane, cordyceps. And y'all, we're about to drain this to make a delicious and fabulous tincture that is amazing for cognitive function, for skin, for gut, for everything. Mushrooms, y'all, they magical. And you're probably wondering, how did she learn how to make this tincture? I got this at Gratitude Garden at their most recent retreat, and they taught us how to make tinctures, tonics, how to grow sprouts, everything, y'all. So I'm really excited to get into this. Wow. And now I'm gonna put the freshly drained tonic into its container. So reusable, y'all, sustainable. So typically how I use this is I just put in 3 to 4 drops every single morning and night. Ooh, right underneath my tongue. Ooh, this tastes really good. This is potent. Wow.